Hello, I want to introduce you our new machine DSK, or double vibro-sieve or double scalper. We see here two sieves. On the top we usually put a sieve with the bigger holes, and on the bottom with the smaller holes, to separate here bigger fractions like straw or any big stones, and they will fall here from this chute. And on the bottom sieve we can separate actually grain, the main fraction. It will fall here, and all the light fractions and the light impurities will go down on the bottom here. We see that you have a rack for this machine, and you can use it in industrial line or separately as the independent machine, just for the cleaning this one fraction of grain. And it goes very well with very small seeds, like herb seeds, for example. And you must for this cultures you need to put rectangular hole sieves on the bottom. And also I want to show you this rubber balls, which clean all the sieves from inside. Thank you.